morning, then showers and scattered thunderstorms late this morning and northwest winds 10 to 15 knots, seas 3 feet, mainly in south swell with a dominant period of 8 seconds. Showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms early in the evening, then a chance of showers late in the evening.
Tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Manahawkin, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for East Central Ocean County in southern New Jersey until 10:45 a.m. At 10:09 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. The storm containing the possible tornado was near Manahawkin, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. The tornado will be near Harvey Cedars around 10:20 a.m., Barnegat Light around 10:25 a.m. When a tornado warning is issued, based on Doppler radar, it means that strong rotation has been detected in the storm. A tornado may already be on the ground, or is expected to develop shortly. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a sturdy shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch, or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. Motorists should not take shelter under highway overpasses. As a last resort, either park your vehicle and stay put, or abandon your vehicle and lie down in a low-lying area. Heavy rainfall may obscure this tornado. If you wait to see or hear it coming, it may be too late to get to a safe place. Take cover inside now. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Move to an interior room on the lowest level of a sturdy building. Put as many walls between you and the outside as you can. Avoid windows. Protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10:45 a.m. for the following county, Ocean County, New Jersey.
The coastal waters forecast from San